In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Monday.com with Calendar. Syncing your Monday.com board with your calendar is a great way to keep tasks, meetings, deadlines, and events all in one place. It helps you stay organized and makes it much easier to see what's coming up without constantly switching between tools. To get started, log in to your Monday.com homepage. Once you're in, open the board you want to sync. In this example, we're using a sales pipeline board, but you can follow the same process with any board that fits your workflow. Before you continue, make sure your board includes a date column. That's important because the calendar needs a date to know when to place each item. If you assign tasks to specific people, it's also helpful to have a people or deal owner column set up. Next, click the plus icon to add a new view to your board. From the available options, choose Calendar. This creates a calendar-based view of your board, which is the starting point for connecting it to an external calendar service. Once the calendar view opens, click on Integrate, then select Google Calendar. If you use Outlook instead, the general process is very similar, but in this walkthrough, we're focusing on Google Calendar. You'll now see different integration recipes. Choose the first template that says, "When an item is created, create an event in Google Calendar." This option is useful if you want new items from your board to automatically appear as calendar events. You may also notice other common templates, such as updating a calendar event when a date changes, or creating a Monday.com item when a new calendar event is created. Those options support different workflows, but for this setup, choose the first one. After selecting the recipe, click Connect. Monday.com will then ask you to choose the Google account you want to sync with your board. Select the correct account, and then click Continue. Next, when Google asks for permission, review the access request, and select all the permissions Monday.com needs in order to create and manage calendar events properly. After that, click Continue again to finish the connection. At this point, the syncing process may take a little time, so be patient while everything connects in the background. Once it's done, your Monday.com board will be linked with your Google Calendar based on the integration recipe you selected. And that's how to sync Monday.com with Calendar. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.